Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Lego Fortnite villagers not working or not spawning. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the villagers networking issue is faced by a lot of users, so there are a few methods to fix this issue. So here are some solutions to solve the Lego Fortnite villagers networking issue. So first is checking villager spawn option during the world creation. So the first and crucial step is to ensure that the village spawn option was not accidentally disabled during the world creation. So here's how you can verify and rectify this. So first, just review the server list. So check your server list, and if you noticed a custom label on your world, so it suggests that certain settings, including the villager spawn option, may have been modified at the outset. So if this is the case, consider creating a new world with the correct settings enabled. And then next is to create a new world. So if you suspect that the villager spawn option was disabled during the creation, the solution might be to create a new world with the correct settings. So ensure that you enable the villager spawn option in the world creation menu to allow villagers to appear in your Lego Fortnite universe. The next, what you can do is to restart the game and your device. So if the villager spawn option is turned on but the villagers are still not appearing, it could be indicative of a bug or temporary glitch. So in such cases, a simple yet effective troubleshooting step is to restart the game and your device. So here's how you can do it. So to restart the game, just simply close Lego Fortnite and relaunch it. So sometimes temporary glitches can be solved by simply restarting the game. And to restart your device, perform a complete restart of your gaming device, whether it's a console, PC, or any other platform. So this action can clear system resources and potentially address any underlying issues causing the villagers not to spawn. And then lastly, what you can do is to constructing the village square. So in the Lego Fortnite, the process of villagers appearing is intricately tied to the construction of the village square. So here's the step-by-step guide on how to ensure villagers have the proper environment to spawn and thrive. So first, what you'll need to do is to build the village square. So construct the village square within your Lego Fortnite world. So this central hub serve as the gathering place for villagers and is crucial for their daily activities. The next is interacting with wanderers. So once the village square is established, daily visitors will naturally congregate around it during daylight hours. So approach these wanderers and engage in conversation, so convince them to stick around until the evening. And then next is providing beds and village slots. So to accommodate new villagers, ensure there are available beds within your Lego Fortnite structures. Additionally, make sure there are enough village slots for new residents. So this can be achieved by expanding your village and constructing more living spaces. And then lastly, is the permanent resident. So if the conditions are met, you can add a visitor to live in your village permanently. So this step ensures that the Lego Fortnite villagers not only appear but become integral members of your evolving virtual community. And if the problem persists, just reach out to the Lego Fortnite support channels or community forums so they may provide additional insights and assistance. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.